They're thieves. They're thieves. They're filthy little thieves. Sneaky little hobbitses.
Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. I hope you are having a fabulous weekend. I know I am. Today we will be going over how to remove the factory front bumper on your truck. Some of you might be wondering, why on earth would I want to remove my front bumper? Well, you guys are pretty smart. Most of you at least. I'm sure you'll figure that out. Okay, first step for the front bumper removal is to go ahead and remove the grille. I actually have a separate video for this. I will link to above, so go ahead and check that out just to save a little time on this video. All right, next step, I'm not sure if these actually have to come off, but this lower eyelid piece, I guess whatever you want to call it, I'm just going to go ahead and get it out of the way to have access to the bumper. If you've never taken these off before, take something with a broad flat head. And if it's going to show up on camera, on mine there is a green tab right here. You push that out and then sort of slowly slide this towards the center of the truck and it'll come right out. Next up is a ton of body clips. There are 3 on the top. There's one right there on the left side, one in the center, and then one on the right side. Just use a simple flathead screwdriver. See if I can do this one-handed and get it on there like that, pop it right out. And then grab it carefully and the whole thing should come out without breaking. And there you go. Next up is real quick, if you have factory fog lights or any fog lights plugged into the bumper, just go ahead and detach those. Next up, there are 2 10mm bolts. This is the center of the bumper underneath, one right there, the next right there. Here is the top view. You can see right there is the top of it, and that one. Next up, and I know it's dark in here, you're not going to be able to see it, but here is the outside of the driver's side part of the fender, right over here by the tire. There's another 10mm bolt. I'm actually pointing at it right up here. You can't see it, but there's one on each side. Once we remove that, the whole thing should just be able to shimmy off.
So yeah, so it should just like work your way around, pop the clips off, and then it'll just come off in one piece.
Okay, here we go. So, I mean, where do you want me, or in the middle?
I mean, just stand there and look at what be your... Hold on, there's something.
Oh, we didn't take that bolt off. I did. Oh, did you?
I did. Yeah.
There's probably a fender clip that's still on that.
You just gotta like, just gotta yank it.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I don't really just want to. I hear Brian. Okay.
Woo! It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
All right, there it is. The bumper is actually off. So at this point you are done if that's all you're doing is removing the front bumper. If you are installing an aftermarket bumper, which I may or may not be, you will of course need to remove, I don't even know what this is called, it's like the Toyota double tow hook right here, which is 2 17mm bolts. All right, everybody, that will do it for this quick tutorial video, how to remove a front bumper. This was actually the first time I have ever attempted this myself. I have heard how easy it was, but I was pleasantly surprised. It is super easy. In reality, it'll probably take you less time to remove the front bumper than it would to watch this video I'm making for you, telling you how to do it. So enjoy if you are swapping to an aftermarket bumper, or if you just want to remove the bumper to get in there and give everything a good spring cleaning, because when I removed my bumper, I noticed it was pretty nasty back there with caked on dirt from various off-roading trips. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. If you would like to support the channel even more, check out the link right below. Stop by the Tacomaholic shop, grab yourself a patch or a decal. I do have some new items coming soon for that, so stay tuned for that. Check out the Teespring link right down below if you're interested in getting a shirt or a sweatshirt. And of course, if you want to be one of my patrons on Patreon, link right down below. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.